My sign's been taken away, but we'll give you free advice.
Okay. Thank you.
Start the fires at 7. What time do they judge? 11. Straight up instead of going out. You know what I'm saying?
Running that word. He went up there and he said, mountains.
What's your specialty here?
Garbage.
I like it a little bit.
It's all just trust in me.
I mean, I have different reports from different.
They provided some of the power for some of these outhouses. Here, come on, look at that, Martin, catching up with it. Come on, Judy's boys, catch up to them. Next up will be Mikey's man. Come on. Once again, take particular note of what's holding them two jugs of whiskey in.